Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Patel. I am a student Engineering College Ajmer from a mechanical branch. My topic is laser cutting system. Introduction of a laser cutting system. Laser cutting is a technology that uses a powerful laser to cut or engrave that flesh sheet material such as a plastic, wood, paper, fabric. It works by directing the output of a high power laser by computer at the material to be cut. The material then either melt, burn or vaporize away, leaving an edge with a high quality surface finish. Next slide. Background of a laser cutting system. First, in 1965 year, the first production laser cutting machine was used to drill hole in diamond die. The machine was made by the Western Electric Engineering Research Center. Next 1967 year, the British pointer laser acid oxygen jet cutting formatal. Third, in the early 1970 year, this technology was put into production to cut titanium for aerospace application. Next slide. Type of a laser cutting system. There are type of laser used for cutting. First, the gaseous CO2 laser. In a CO2 laser cutting, light is produced when electricity runs through a gas-filled tube with mirror at both ends. One mirror is full reflective while the other one let some light come through. These mirror guide the laser beam into the material that is to be cut. The gas is typically a mixture of a carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, and helium. Any light produced by CO2 laser is extremely powerful compared to normal light. This is because of the mirror that bookend the tube of gases. These mirrors reflect most of the light traveling through the tube and catch the light while the build in industry. The light only passes through the partially reflective mirror when it becomes bright in the science. The light from a laser is infrared is invisible to the human eye. It also has a very long wavelength. It can cut a variety of material include cloth, wood, metal, glass and paper. The intense heat from this light vaporizes the material that is going to be cut, leaving an accurate, smooth finish. Next type, crystal. Crystal laser cutting is a process that uses laser made from niobium, doped deuterium, aluminum, garnet. These crystals are part of solid state group and the crystal allow for extremely high power cutting. It can be used with both metal and non-metal. Crystal laser based cutting also has root dating being created in this same laboratory or gas laser. Bell lab with a wavelength of 1.064 micrometer. It is useful for a huge range of application from medical and dentistry to military and manufacturing. Next slide. Method of a laser cutting. There are many different methods in cutting. Use laser with different type used to cut different material. First method of a laser cutting, vaporization. In vaporization cutting, the focus beam heat the surface of the material to boiling point and generate a keyhole. The keyhole lead to a sudden increase in absorbability quickly depending the hole. As the hole depends on the material boil, vapor generate, erode the melt wall, blowing ejecta out and further analyzing the hole. Non-melting materials such as wood, carbon, and their most plastically are used cut by this method. Second method, melt and blow. Melt and blow or fusion cutting use high pressure gas to blow molten material from the cutting area, greatly decreasing the power requirement. First, the material is heated to melting point, then a gas jet blow the molten material out of the curve, avoiding the need of a rise the temperature of material. Any further material cut with the process are usually metal. Third, Thermal stress cracking. Brittle material are particularly sensitive in thermal fracture. A fracture is polarized in thermal stress cracking. A beam is focused on the surface casing localized heating and thermal expansion. The result in crack that can then be guided by moving the beam. The crack can be moved in order of ms. It is usually used in cutting of glass. Fourth method, stainless design of silicon wafer. The separation of micrometer chip edge pair in semiconductor device. Fabrication from silicon wafer may be performed by the so-called stainless design process, which operate with a plaster. Fifth method, reactive cutting method, also called burning explosive laser gas cutting. Reactive cutting is like oxygen torch cutting but with a laser beam as the ignition source, mostly used for cutting carbon steel in thickness over 1 mm. The process can be used to cut a very thick steel plate with a relatively little laser power. Next slide. Application. Common application. Laser cutting is most often seen in industry that demand a lot of thin metal part. This include automotive, second agriculture, third retail display, fourth art and structural, fifth medical. Second slide. Advantage of a laser cutting. First advantage, laser machining is a thermal process depend on thermal and optical rather than the medical property. Second, laser machining is a non-contact process, no cutting force generate. Third, laser machining is a flexible process. Fourth, laser machining produce a high precision and smaller curve with result. Second slide. Disadvantage of a laser cutting. First, low energy efficiency. Second, material damage, heat affected zone. Third, laser cutting effectiveness reduce as the workpiece thickness in increase. Fourth, laser cutting produce a taper curve shape. Next slide. What type of a material? Generally, laser cutting is best of a thin material. This include first carbon steel, second stainless steel, third the aluminum. Thank you all of you.